Sadly, I forgot to set the screen lock on the Mic 2 receiver, and at the same time I managed to stop the internal recording on the microphone. Anyway, ActiveTrack selected, manual, and it should be 2 meters above and 4 meters behind. Even in quite strong wind, it performs well so far. And then I suddenly remembered that I had to set the hover if connection is lost. I also reset the home point to the control position just in case the battery should go low. And currently I'm biking at a speed less than 20 kilometers an hour. That's too much for the Mini 4 Pro, and it loses me. I reselect myself, but I have learned lessons and bring the drone down and closer to me. But I forgot to select ActiveTrack, so Spotlight of course will lose me. Bringing it back, taking it down and also closer, and select ActiveTrack, start again. And I'm now keeping a speed of 15 kilometers an hour only. Stopping to bring the drone closer and down. I have learned my lesson. And finally there after 1 kilometer. This recording is internal Mic 2 with noise reduction, as the recording on the Neo is crap when it's a little bit noisy. Okay, let's see if the drone can follow me far and high. So far, so good, I can hear it. And I'm actually doing 20 kilometers an hour now. I can speed up even more. "25 kilometers an hour. I can still hear it. It seems like 25 is a bit of a limit, so I have to let it catch up. "27 kilometers an hour. I can still hear it, so it's following me. What an amazing little drone. I wish the Mini 4 Pro had the same good following function as the Neo. I think it actually might have touched something. Let's see if I can get it to come to me. Come on. Strong wind made it a little bit difficult to get down, but finally I actually got it down.